here in Blackfoot, Idaho, shooting a FOB AccuNock combination out of a Firecat. It's 30-inch draw length, 66 pound length. We'll do 3 FOB combination, and then we'll shoot a blazer fletch, approximately 30-mile-an-hour crosswind.
We are here in southeastern Idaho, attempting an 80-yard shot with FOBs and AccuNock combination, 30-mile-an-hour crosswind.
Busted a FOB.
Just for the joy of it, now I shoot a blazer bait. It's going to get a little rough. We're going to move the camera up so you know we don't manipulate the arrows at any time.